matrix. Okay, আমি এটো কো a matrix of order m by n or simply m by n matrix. Okay, for example ইয়াত কি আছে row আছে 1 2 3 column আছে 2. So এটো কিমান what will be order of this matrix 3 by 2. So লিখো আমি কি 3 into 2 লিখিম. Okay, so like this 3 into 2, but we call it what আমি কও কি 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, ইয়াত কেটা row আছে 1 2 3 column আছে 1 2 3. So this matrix is of order কিমান হ'ব 3 by 3. This matrix is of order 2 by 3, like this. Okay, so observe that A has 2 into 3 6 elements, B has 9 elements, and C has 6 elements. So jodi ame order of a matrix janu, so we can say that how many elements are there in the matrix. Okay, so if order of a matrix is m by n, there will be mn elements in the matrix. Okay, a general m by n matrix is given this a11 a12 a13 a1j a1n a21 a22 a23 a2j a2n, like this. Okay, so why is this? So a notation to बहुत important है. a11 ने की denote करी है this element is in the first row or first column. a12 माने तो first row আছে और second column আছে. यार जो suffix प्रथम suffix तो की कोई it denotes the row and second suffix denotes the column. Okay, so there is 1 3 means what this is in the first row third column. If I call it for example a34, so a34 code thakibo it will be in the third row fourth column. Okay, like that. Okay, this is simply the notation. You can just go through this and read the things and this will be clear. Okay, you just look at this. We shall follow this notation a bracket aij m by n. tar mane ki this is a matrix of order m by n, or aij are the elements. Okay, to indicate a matrix of order m by n, we shall consider only those matrices whose elements are real number or function with real values. Okay, so we are not considering other things. Okay, that is thing. I think we are ready to go. And these are word problem. You can just go through it and read the things. Okay, this is a very nice example. Okay, which is of importance for us. So yet ki hoy construct a 3 by 2 matrix. 3 into 2 mane ki 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by aij equal to 1 by 2 of this thing I minus 3j absolute value. Okay, so first of all you have to write the general 3 by 2 matrix is given by this 3 by 2 mane ki 3 ta row aru 2 ta column hobo. So 3 ta row mane 1 2 3 row column 1 2. So that's why a11 a12 a21 a22 a31 a32. Now what will be the elements? Yeah, dear aij is 1 by 2 absolute value of I minus 3j. So you just put in everything here. So aij is this, I is this, j is this. Okay, that's not a big problem. So a11 ki hobo, so in place of I you have a 1, in place of j you have a 1. So a formula dot in place of ij you put 1 and 1, so you get 1. Similarly here a12, to find a12 what we will do, in place of I will put 1, in place of j I will put 2. So plug in the things, you will get 2 by 5. Similarly you do everything, repeat the same thing for all the elements, 6 elements, so your matrix will be this. Okay, next we have some type of matrix which are very important. Okay, etyaloge kiba problem ase niki, anything you want to ask?
No sir.
Hi sir.
Okay, can you okay, we'll see in the exercise. So next you have a column matrix. So what is a column matrix? So column matrix is a simple matrix with one column. Column matrix likha ase mane ki eta column thakile ki hobo, etu ami column matrix boli kom. Duta column thakile column matrix nako, only one column. So typical order of a column matrix will be m by 1. Okay, eta এটা কলম থাকিব মিন্স কলমটো পিছফালে যোনটো থাকে এটো কলম ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে প্ৰথমটো কি হয় ৰ ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে সো ৰ বি এনিথিং বাট কলম শুড বি 1 সো তাক আমি কলম ম্যাট্ৰিক্স বুলি কওঁ okay so this is a column matrix you see only one column how many rows are there 1 2 3 4 4 rows 1 column so this is a column matrix okay so if I ask you to write a column matrix example of column matrix with 3 rows that will be what here look at here 1 2 3 okay similarly after column matrix you have row matrix কি হবে column matrix যদি এটা কলম থাকে row matrix এর কেটা রো থাকিব লাগিব yes if column matrix have one column how many rows should a row matrix should have one right so it will have a one row so a row matrix has only one row that's it okay what is a square matrix if number of rows of a matrix is equal to number of column we call it square matrix okay so this is the thing a matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix okay thus m by n is a square matrix will m will be equal to n okay so it is known as square matrix of order n so square matrix of order n square matrix or the order likho ami sida koi je square matrix of order n will not say that this matrix have order n by n we don't say that we will say directly square matrix of order n a matrix with order n boli korle ki hobo it's a square matrix with n rows n columns okay so for example this is a square matrix of order 3 because number of rows is equal to 3 number of column is equal to 3 so number of row is equal to number of columns so therefore it's a square matrix of order 3 okay so this is the thing next whenever you see a square matrix there is something called diagonal square matrix er eta diagonal thake this is called a diagonal this is not a diagonal okay in matrix we call it this is a diagonal this is called off diagonal or whatever it is we don't care about that when we refer to diagonal of a matrix we refer to this terms okay so what are the suffix of the diagonal it will be 1 1 a11 a1 a22 ann a33 a44 like that it will go on so this is the diagonal matrix okay so in this matrix what are the diagonal elements 1 4 and 6 okay so why diagonal elements are important because next type of matrix is the diagonal matrix okay the diagonal matrix kaak koy a matrix whose non-diagonal terms are 0 a matrix is said to be diagonal if all its non-diagonal terms are 0 for example it is 1 this is a matrix of order 1 by 1 so it's a square matrix of order 1 this is a square matrix of order 2 a 2 to diagonal element kita ki ase -2 2 ase but non diagonal are 0 so square diagonal matrix sabol hole ami ki sabol laibo we have to see only non diagonal elements are if non diagonal elements are 0 we call it diagonal matrix okay here also you see non diagonal kita 0 okay it doesn't mean that diagonal to non zero hobo laibo diagonal kita 0 hole ki hobo diagonal matrix hobo this is very important okay so for example if I write a matrix here so if I write a matrix like this A0B 0 0 0 0 0 0 so this is a diagonal matrix why because non-diagonal terms are 0 so if I write for example 0 0 0 0 this is also a diagonal matrix because non-diagonal term kita ki ase 0 ase diagonal term we don't care okay if diagonal terms are non-zero also it will be a diagonal matrix for example this is 10 so this is a diagonal matrix okay got a point so that is the thing okay so that is about diagonal matrix so scalar matrix after diagonal matrix scalar matrix definition is scalar matrix ki hoy scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are equal. Okay, scalar matrix হলে কি হবে? Scalar matrix কি হবে? এটা হবে প্রথমটো diagonal matrix হবে আৰু diagonal elements are same. Elements are same. Okay, so it's like this. So if I write a diagonal matrix, for example 2 2 0 0, so this is a scalar matrix, but this is not a scalar matrix. A duta diagonal matrix, this both are diagonal matrix, but this is a scalar matrix, this is not a scalar matrix. Okay, so এইবিলাক নাম হয় actually. Okay, so scalar matrix কি হবে? Diagonal element কি হবে? Okay, this is the thing. So you say root 3 root 3 root 3 বাকি কিটা 0 0 আছে, so this is a diagonal matrix. Root 3 is a diagonal element, so this is a scalar matrix. Here -1 আছে, non diagonal 0 আছে, so this is a scalar matrix. Next you have identity matrix. Identity matrix কি হয়? Scalar matrix with entries equal to 1. এটা কয় identity matrix. So এটা 1 by identity matrix of order 1, this is identity matrix of order 2, this is identity matrix of order 3. Okay, identity matrix কি হবে? Diagonal element টা 1 হবে. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so ekita naam janibo lagbo. Zero matrix, as name says, all elements are 0. Okay, they are also called null matrix sometimes. This is a zero matrix of order 1, this is the order zero matrix of order 2, this is a zero matrix of order 2 by 3, this is a zero matrix of order 1 by 2. Okay, these all are zero matrix. Okay, and when we কেতিয়াবা কেতিয়াবা আমি zero matrix ক 0 বুলি ডিনোট কৰো, তেতিয়া আমি জানো যে অৰ্ডাৰটো কি হ'ব লাগিব. Okay, so this order will be clear from the context. Okay, up to here do you have any problem?
No sir.
Okay, okay, লৰা কিটা ক'ত গ'ল? হেৰাই গ'ল নেকি? আছে নাই তাতে?
Sir.
Okay, so next, when we say two matrices are equal, equality of matrix, this is very important. Okay, এতিয়া equal কেতিয়া কওঁ? Okay, দুটা নম্বৰক equal কেতিয়া কওঁ? যে when they are equal, right? 10 is equal to 10, otherwise if 10 is equal to a লিখিলে, if a is other than 10 it is not equal. So similarly in case of matrix also, দুটা matrix a আৰু b দিয়া আছে, দুটা equal কেতিয়া হ'ব? First of all এটা order to equal হ'ব লাগিব. Order equal নহলে কেতিয়া জীৱনৰ matrix দুটা equal নহয়. Okay, so similarly you see these two zero matrix, order kita beleg no, so therefore they are not equal. Okay, so this is a different matrix, this is a different matrix. So two matrix are equal only if their orders are equal. First case, or each element of A is equal to corresponding elements of B. Okay, each element of A should be equal to each element of B. That is the thing. For example, these two are equal matrix, because you see what is the order of this matrix? Order 2 by 2, right? So it's a square matrix of order 2, this is a square matrix of order 2. So first condition satisfied. Second condition is 1 1 element of yat 2 ase, yat 2 ase, yat 3 ase, yat 3 ase, yat 0 ase, yat 0 ase, yat 1 ase, yat 1 ase. So they are equal matrix. But you see these two are not equal matrix, because you see first of all orders or same, order same ase. So next you see this first element, a 1 1 element is what? 3 here, 1 1 element is 2 here. So these two are not equal, so therefore these two matrices are not equal. Okay, so equal matrix to more janibologia eta concept. Okay, after knowing equal matrix only we can go forward. For example, here it is given these two matrices are equal, find the value of a b c x y z. এটা equal মানে কি? প্রথম তো অর্ডারটো চাব লাগে, অর্ডারটো ইকুয়াল দিয়া আছে নাই? যদি অর্ডার ইকুয়াল নাই তেতিয়া কোয়েশ্চনটো ভুল. So what is the order of this matrix? Can you tell me, anyone?
3.
Yeah, this is a square matrix of order 3. So this is also a square matrix of order 3. Okay, now they are say it is given that they are equal. So equal হওয়ার লগে কি হবে? 3x x plus 3 should be equal to 0. So আমি x plus 3 equal to 0 করে দিও. Next x plus 4 equal to 6 হবে লাগে. 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Minus 6 equal to minus 6. Boring, yeah? I don't care about that, because minus 6 equal to minus 6 is a fact. So a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. 0 is equal to this term. A2 equal to A2. A2 equal to A2 DR A2 0. I have no problem. Okay. Now equate correctly, you just find out the values, so you will get this type of things. Okay. Here also you have something. Find a value of A, B, C, D with this equality. Okay. So that is the thing. So these concepts are very easy actually. There's nothing to. Okay. Now let's see this matrix. First of all, I want to ask the boys. Any boy can answer. So what will be the order of this matrix? Yes, the order of this matrix. Come on, Abu. Yes. Give order.
4.
4 can you order? How many rows are there? Count the rows. Keta row ase? Rows equal to kimba keta ase? Rows mane horizontal line. Horizontal line keta ase?
4.
Keta ase? 4 ase? Kene 4 ase? What is this? This is 1, 2, 3, right? 3 rows are there. Okay. Columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. So what will be the order? Order kya hoga? Order to kene likho? M into N, where M is the number of rows. And N is the number of columns. So order to ki hobo eto? Yeah, row 3 ta ase, column 6 ta ase. So what will be the order? One answer ki hobo? Yes, anybody?
3 into 4.
3 by 4. So we don't say 3 into 4, we say 3 by 4. Okay? So that is that. Okay. Next. What is the next question? Next question to keep. What is the number of element? Number of element keta hoga? So order is 3 by 4. So number of element will be what?
12.
12. It's like 3 into 4. Okay? Okay, write down A13. What is A13? A13.
19. 19.
A13. A13 means what? First
19.
row, third column. So 19. So that's very nice. Okay. Okay. Now next question to kune kobo. A21. Anybody? Other than the one who have answered the first one. A21. A21 mane ki? 2 mane? Ki kola? 2, 1.
35 kolu.
35. Yes. That should be in the second row, first column. Second row mane second row. No, first row, second row. So first column is this. That's very nice. Okay. And next A33. Okay. Other than you two. Yes.
Minus 5. Minus 5.
Minus 5. Yeah. Good. Okay. You got it. So rest of the thing you can do it. Okay. Thank you for listening nicely. Okay. Next. So if a matrix has 24 elements, okay, what are the possible order it can have? Ki order thakibo paribo 24 element thakile? What are the possible order? Yes. Question number 2. Yeah. Number of element is?
3 by 8.
Is, for example, 24 it's given. So you're saying first order, you are saying 3 by 8. Okay, that's good. Anything else? Okay, first of all, it should have take that. Given
4 by 6.
4 by 6. Okay, anyway. Okay, it should not take any time. Okay, first of all, you should know that rectangle thakibo lage. Means number is like this. Okay, so this will be number of rows, number of column. Number of rows into number of column is equal to what? Number of elements, right? Number of rows into columns. Number of columns is equal to number of elements. This thing you know. Okay, this is the working principle here. So now you have to write 24 as product of two natural number. So first of all, write all the possible product of two numbers. How can you write 24? First thing is 1 into 24. Next 2 into 12. Next 3 into 8. Next 4 into 6. And what? 6 into 4. 4. 8 into 3. Then 12 into 2. Then 24 into 1. So these are the possible orders. That's it. Okay. So what about 13? If you have 13, what are the possible order? 13 elements.
1 by 13, 13 by 1.
Yeah, that's it. 1 by 13, 13 by 1. Okay, that's good. You're going great. Okay, so what is the next? Okay, I don't care about the question number 3. You can do it. We'll go to question number 4. Construct 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are this. So I'll do only one of them. So which one is the easier one? So I'll do the second one. I feel it is easy. Okay, it will be faster. So, okay, question number 4. 2. So you have to write 2 by 2 matrix. So first of all, you have to write the general 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, my writing is very bad. You have to adjust on that. Okay, is given by. So I'll write it A equal to. So 2 by 2 means 2 rows, 2 columns. So first of all, I write rows, 2 rows and 2 columns. So A11, A21. So there will be 2 rows. 2 column means this is 1 column, second column. A12, A22. You see, suffix kita very important. It is here 1 mane first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, second column, second row, first column, first column. So what the element? Aij ki diya ase second note. Do you have the book? Can you tell me what is Aij? I by j by
I by j.
I by j. So you people are very slow, huh? I by j. Okay, so that's I by j. So Aij diya ase I by j. This is the A. So you have to find A. So what is the problem? So you start with A11. So what will be A11? I jagat 1 ase, j jagat 1 ase. So you put it here. So this will be 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. A12. So this will be 1 by 2. A21. So what will be A21? Sorry. Oh, that's good. This will be 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. A22. A22 mane ki hoga? 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, your required matrix A is equal to, just put in the values. So A11 1 pallu. So this will be 1. A12 is half. A21 is 2. And A22 is 1. So this is the matrix. Any problem? Manas, হেৰাই গ'ল যে ল'ৰাটো
আছো স্যার
হৈছে নে হ'ব নে
হ'ব
okay likewise you have to do question number 4 and question number 5. Okay, now here are some equations. So here are matrix equations. So find the value of x, y, and z of the following equation. Okay, that's very easy, right? So these two given matrices are equal. So what you do? Equating corresponding elements. So I'll do one question for you. So which one you want me to do? Question number 6 or question number 7? What? Kuntu? Which one? Na koribo nalage. Pariba. Okay, I will do question number 6, 2. Okay? ठीक है sir? So this is x plus y 2 5 plus z x y. Oh, okay. X plus y 2 5 plus z x y. Okay, this is the 6 2 5 8. Six, 2, 5, 8. So this is given. Question number 6, 2. Okay. Now what you will do? You write. So order is same. Order kita eke ase. So that's very nice. So equating corresponding elements of the two matrices. Okay, so what you'll get? X plus y equal to 6. 2 equal to 2, I don't care about that. 5 plus z, sorry, z is equal to 5. So this implies what is z? What will be z? Z equal to 0, right? And xy is equal to 8. Xy equal to 8. Okay. Now from this equation I will put the value of x. So what will be x? X equal to 6 minus y. Okay, so I'll put it here. X is equal to 6 minus y into y equal to 8. So which is equal to 6y minus y square equal to 8. Okay, now this is y square minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, now solve this equation. What you will get? Y equal to 2 and 4, I think. Yes or no? Yes or no? Therefore, x equal to, when y is equal to 2, x equal to 4, y equal to 4, x equal to 2. Hoise na? Any verifications coming up? Hello?
Wisu sir.
Okay, sir. That's good. So that is the end of the exercise. Okay. The rest of the thing, I think you can do it. Okay. So first of all, this one. Okay. This equation. Let's see question number 8. It's something interesting. So I want you to see this. Okay. So A is given by this matrix. It's a square matrix. There is square matrix. All which of the following are true? M is less than n, m is greater than n, m is equal to n, none of this.
M equal n.
Yeah, that's a C, option C, right? So here
Yes,
you can okay, you do it. Okay. So yeah, a number of possible matrices of order 3 by 3 of entries 0 and 1. 0 and 1 takile keita 3 by 3 matrix possible hoy. Okay, this is the question from combination, permutation. Okay, permutation question. So do it yourself. Okay, so that is exercise number 1 over. Okay, number 2. Next concept is this. Okay, addition of matrix. So addition of matrix are very much easy, so I don't care about that. Okay, that will be very much easier to do. Now I'm just looking at what are the things to be done here. Okay, then I will do it in notebook only. So here we have addition of matrix and what? Multiplication diasonic exercise. Exercise kora got multiplication takilla it will be little bit time consuming. Okay, you have multiplication of matrices also. So that's good. Okay, let's start here. Okay. So addition of matrix. Next topic is addition of matrices. Okay, first of all, if two matrices A and B are given to you, okay, I have to find addition. Okay, so what are the preconditions you have to have is this. First condition should be O or D. The order of A should be equal to order of B. That is O or D A equal to order of B. Okay, then this will imply first condition here about order of A plus B will be equal to this two, order of A and order of B, they are equal. Okay, we don't care. Okay, sir. When we can add only two matrices of same order, first thing. Okay, then the definition says element of A plus B ij is equal to Aij plus Bij. That's it, nothing else. So what is this? This is the element of A plus B. Okay, so let me give you one thing. Here jetiya likhu A plus B. So this is a different matrix, this is a different matrix, and this is a different matrix. Okay, it's like this. Jayanta can be a name, Madhav can be a name. Okay, so this Jayanta is a different name, Madhav is a different name, and we can also have a name, a man or a man in a name Jayanta Madhav. Okay, this is like this. A is a different matrix, B is a matrix, and A plus B is a different matrix. Okay, so elements of A is given by Aij, elements of B are given by A Bij, and elements of A plus B is given by A plus Bij. Getting the point? Okay, that is the thing. So whenever you have to add two matrices, for example, if I am given A, B, C, D, and I will ask you to add this for 2, 1, 2. Okay, so plus. So can you do this sum? This is not possible. Why not possible? Because order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 1. So order are not same. So not possible. Okay. So if you have to add, for example, 2, 2, 1, 0. 6, 6, 2, 2. So if I have to add this matrix, so what I have to do is you just add the corresponding terms. So this will be like 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 2, which is equal to 8, 8, 3, 2. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so this is the addition of matrix. Any problem here? I don't think. There is no chance to have a problem, I think, right? So addition of matrix is that easy, so there is no problem. Next, you have a scalar multiplication. A scalar multiplication. Okay, what is scalar multiplication of a matrix? Okay, so given a matrix, A and a scalar. Scalar means scalar K. Scalar means what? Real number. Real oblique complex number. Okay, that's means scalar. Okay, then A into K into A is simply what? K Aij. Okay, you multiply all the elements of the matrix by K. For example, if I am writing 2 into 2, 1, 3, 6, if you have to do this, so what will be this? This will be 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 6, which is basically 4, 2, 6, 12. Okay, this is the scalar multiplication. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, these are definitions. Okay, any problem till now?
No, sir.
Okay, so if A is a given matrix, so I want if I want minus A, so what will be minus A? Minus A will be what? In all the elements you just put minus. That's it. Okay, that's minus A. Okay, so addition is done, scalar multiplication is done. So you last you have multiplication of two matrix. Okay, এতিয়া লোকে problem আছে নেকি কবার কোনোবা থাকিলে কব পারে, because what we are going to do is the next is a little bit complex, and I will be using all the things what we have done till now. Okay, no problem. Very good. Next we have multiplication of matrix. Okay, matrix multiplication is very important. Okay, so here also in case of addition, what was the condition? We can add two matrix only if their order are same. Multiplication is not like that. Multiplication karne we have different conditions. Okay, so what is that? So multiplication to element wise multiplication, we don't do the element wise multiplication. So multiplication of matrix different concept. Okay, so let A is m by n and B is P by Q matrix are two given matrix. Okay, then C equal to A into B is possible if n is equal to P. Means what? number of column of first matrix would be equal to number of rows of the second matrix, this condition, and order of C is what? Number of rows of this M into number of column of this Q. First thing first. Okay, that is the thing. Bottom condition to clear again. If the order of A is M by N, order of B is P by Q, so A into B is possible only if N is equal to Q, P, and P to equal. Then we can multiply two matrix. और जदि मुक C टुक मैं लिखो जे B into C, B A into B is C, then order of C की होगा M by P, means number of row of first matrix, number of column of second matrix. Okay, got a point? Okay, so जदि मैं A लिखूँ for example 2 by 3 and B लिखूँ 3 by 6, so A B possible है ना? Is A B possible? Yes or no? Next question is B A possible? है ना? हो ना? एटो सब लगे ना? Order of A दिया सिला M by N, B दिया सिला P by Q, A or C means A B, A into B is possible only if N is equal to P. Okay, N की वो this right? एटो और एटो equal नहीं की? Here A M will be this, right? M A2 whole, N A2 whole, P A2 whole, Q A2 whole. Equal ना ये दूसरा? Are they equal? Anybody? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sound नहीं होने चाहिए?
Manisu, sir.
Okay. So এটা सब लगे ना? A लिखिलो B लिखिलो, so A की सब लगे A number of columns should be equal to B number of row. যদি equal হয় তেতিয়া A B possible হয়, তেতিয়া A B possible হ'ব না ইয়াত? Yes or no? Possible হ'ব না? Just compare with this. A আছে M by N, B আছে P by Q, আৰু A C is equal to B into B. Ketia possible hai when N equal to P. So you can see here N is 3, P is 3, so they are equal. Therefore AB is possible. BA possible होगा ना? BA possible होगा क्या बोलेंगे? A जगह B हो जाएगा, B जगह A हो जाएगा. So B बने की B order to whole 3 by 6, A order to whole 2 by 3. So A6 is not equal to 2. So this is not possible. This is not possible. And this is possible. So what will be order of AB? Order of AB ki hoga? Order of AB will be 2 into 6. Is that it? আমি ওলাব B. AB কেতিয়া ওলাব পাৰো যদি AB is possible if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. মানে এর যেটো অর্ডার হবো m by n লিখিটো b এর অর্ডারটো যদি আমি p by q লিখো এই দুটা ইকুয়াল হ'ব লাগিব এই দুটা যদি ইকুয়াল হয় তেতিয়াহে a b টো পসিবল তো b এ কেতিয়া পসিবল হ'ব b এ হলে b এর অর্ডারটো ইয়া লিখিলো p into q এর অর্ডার লিখিলো n into m ওকে এটা এই দুটা ইকুয়াল হ'ব লাইক সো আর যোনটো প্রোডাক্ট হলো তার অর্ডার কি হবে this two that is why order of matrix are very important. Okay let me give you one more example. যদি মই a লিখিও 3/2 b লিখিলো 4/2 এটা ab পসিবল নাকি is ab possible ab পারিম না নারিম hello can I find out ab
No.
no because you see number of column of this is 2 number of row of this is 4 okay so this is not possible ba so এইবিলাক পসিবল হয় না হয় যদি ভালকে যদি এনেকে ধৰিব পৰা নাই বিএ বুলি কলে ইয়াৰ অৰ্ডাৰটো ফটাফট লিখি লব এনেকে ৰাফত 4 into 2 আৰু 8 কি আছে 3 into 2 so 2 is not equal to 3 so not possible okay ইয়াত চাবলৈ কি আছে 3 into 2 4 into 2 লিখিলো এই দুটা ইকুয়াল নহয় so not possible okay ঠিক আছে so that is the thing যদি মই লিখো for example a is equal to 3/6 b এর order to hold 6/8 so is ba possible now ba is possible right yeah because you see number of column of this matrix is equal to number of row of this matrix so a দুটা equal হবে এখানে this is possible so what will be order of ba ab order ab কি হবে
3/8.
3/8 so that is the thing okay so if you are not confused if you are clear now so we can go forward with the definition of that matrix multiplication okay so definition of matrix multiplication so what we'll do is this so I'm not going to give you the detailed definition directly here so I'll be just going through this book okay so that will be better for me because it is it has been done here I think. Let's see if I can get it here from here লিখিব মন যায় না লিখিব মন নগলে তো নহব যেন লাগিছে let's see if I can okay I don't have it here so I will do 2 examples and from that 2 example it will be okay I think okay দুটা এক্সাম্পল কৰি দিম তাৰপৰ তোমালোকে কথাটো বুজি পাব যাব matrix multiplication so I'll take let a is equal to I'll write a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a33 a matrix order ki hobo what is the order of this matrix ki hol minus hello মানুহকেইটা গ'ল ক'ত? Dibaru কোৱাচোন, what will be the order of this matrix? Mr. Dibaru? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ইয়াৰ order কি? ইয়াৰ order কি? Yes sir.
3/2.
কিমান?
3/2.
কিয় 3/2? Anybody else?
2/3.
2/3. Why 2/3?
ইয়াত কলম দুটা আছে আৰু ইয়াৰ কলম তিনটা আছে আৰু ৰ দুটা আছে।
When you say 2/3, আমি প্ৰথম আৰম্ভ কৰিব লাগিব যে ইয়াত ৰ দুটা আছে, তাৰপিছত কলম তিনটা আছে, সেইকাৰণে 2/3 হয় নাই? প্ৰথম আমি লিখো 2, ৰ লিখো, তাৰপিছত কলম। ওকে, এতিয়া মই ইয়াক মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব বিচাৰিছো এটা বেলেগ এটা মেট্ৰিক্সৰ লগত, সো আই কল ইট বি। এতিয়া ইয়াৰ যোনটো মেট্ৰিক্সৰ পৰা মই মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিম তাত কেইটা ৰ থাকিব লাগিব, কেইটা ৰ থাকিব লাগিব মাল্টিপ্লিকেশ্যন পসিবল হ'বলৈ? কেইটা ৰ থাকিব লাগিব? B11, B12, B13, oh sorry, 21, B21, B22, B31, B32. Okay, that's it. So what is the order of this matrix, Dibaru? A matrix order কি হ'ব? Hello?
3/2.
Yes, this is 3/2. So number of rows are 1, 2, 3. So you have 2 columns. So this is 3/2. Okay. Okay, that is the thing. Now you say this 3 is equal to this 3. So this is possible. Okay. Now we find AB. So to find AB, so you write AB, which is equal to, you write the matrix A11, A21, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 multiplied by B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, B33. So it's like this. So definition of multiplication goes like this. Okay. So first thing first, order of this matrix was 2/3. Order of this matrix is 3/2. So what will be the order of the product? Product matrix order কিমান হ'ব? 2/2. Okay, this 2 and this 2. Okay, therefore this is 2/2. Okay, so multiplication কেনেকৈ কৰিম? So to get the first element, you'll multiply the first row of this matrix and first column of this matrix. To get the second element, this 1, 2 element, we have to multiply the first row by first row and second matrix, second column. Okay, so it will first 1, 1 element. So 1, 1 element. So A position to jonto element thake etu kane ki koribo lagibo, yar R1 aro etu C1 এটা multiply koribo lagibo. So this like this, A11, B11. So this will be A11, B11 plus A22, B21. That's A13, B13, 31 plus A13, B31. Okay, so it all 1, 1 position or element to A2 hobo product. Okay, 1, 2 position or element to ki hobo? Here R1 and here column 2. This A position to ki hobo? This position is 1, 2. So you will multiply by R1 to R2. Okay, so that is the thing. So multiply by R1 and sorry, not R2. This position is 1, 2. So this will be R1 then C2 of the second matrix. Okay, so that is the thing. So to do it, R1 means this one is R1. This is the C2 of this matrix. So A11 B12 A11 B12 plus A22 B22 plus A13 sorry not A12 A13 B33 32. Okay, what is this position? This position is 2 1, right? 2 1 position. That means we have to multiply this thing by second row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. Okay, that is the thing. Position 2 1, so this will be R2 by C1. So let's go for R2. So what is the R2? R2 means A2. C1 means A2. So like this. This will be A21 B11 plus A22 B21 plus A23 B31. A position to key. This is 2 position. So we have to multiply R2 to C2 of the second matrix. Bottom to all first matrix are row 2 and this is the second matrix of C2. Okay, so this is what we have to do. So therefore this is very positional thing. Position kita jodi bhalke tumalke kom pa, it will be better for you to do it. Because here 3 element ase, here 3 element ase. Direct enke 3 ke multiply koribo. Mane etu rotate koribo lage, multiply koribo lage, add koribo lage. That's it. Okay, this will be like A21 B12 plus A22 B22 plus A23 B32. Okay, so this will be just get number it will be number to put you just find it. That's it. Okay, therefore because A2 formula that we multiply koribo lage ei karone number of columns of this matrix should be equal to number of rows of this. Jodi yat jodi duta element beshi thake, we will not have anything here to multiply with this. Therefore this should be equal. Equal নহলে এখানে প্রবলেম হয়ে যাবে। ওকে, যদি আরো এটা ইয়াত রো বহাই দিও তাহলে ইয়াত এটা সরি কলম বহাই দিও, ইয়াত এটা আরো এটা কলম হয়ে যাবে। দ্যাটস ইট। ওকে, হবনে?
হবে স্যার।
তোমাদের পজিশনের নাম কোনো ডাউট আছে? ওকে, এটা এক্সাম্পল করে কারণে মই এটা দি দিও। ফর এক্সাম্পল A11 A12 A13 এটা এটো দিলো। This what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 1, right? So this is a column matrix. A column matrix to jodi moi multiply koru with a row matrix B1 1 B12 B13 B14. So is this possible? It is possible or not? Here it is a row matrix, no? So what is the order of this matrix? 1 by 4. Eta row ase 6 column ase 1 by 4. So what will be the product? Product or order ki hobo?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. So product will be 3 by 4. So one element gulo ki koribo lagbe? First row of this, second first column of this. So this will be A11 B11. Tabisat to get the 1 2 element, first row, second column. So this will be A11 B12. Then to get this one, this will be A11 B13. Then A11 B14. So rest of the thing, can you do it? So you will get a 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, that is the thing. Baki properties of matrix kini tumaluke sai laba. Matrix addition, matrix multiplication bila kene kore. So here is a few examples. So let's see this matrix, this one only. Okay, ami etu eta ke bhalke details ot sai jam. Okay, so yat ki koribo lage, a eta matrix di ase. So ami bolabo lage ki so that a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0. Okay, so prothom to a cube bolabo lagibo, a cube bolabo prothom a square bolabo lagibo, tak ako a di multiply korle ami a cube pam. So to find out this, so here is this one. Okay, a to a2, so multiply korle a to palo. So eto keneke palo, 19 keneke paiso, 19 is equal to ki hoy 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 7 hoy gol, 4 plus 4 into 12 কি হলো 4 into 3 into 4 12 তার মানে কি হলো 19 হবে হয় না মানে 19 ডিটেইলস এর করা এটা থাকবে লাগবে তো let's go to detail 8 এটা থাকবে না okay let's see this 8 so we are multiplying these two matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? Order whole here 3 by 3, here whole 3 by 2. So number of column of this matrix is equal to number of row of this matrix. So ekhane ami multiplication koribo pari. So etu koribol prothom element pabol ki hoise 1 into 1 hoise 1 1 1 plus 1 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1. Okay, second element to kane ki hoise 1 into 3 3 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Okay, etu karone ki hobo here this position to ki 2 1 position to karone ki koribo lage here second row here first column multiply koribo lage. So this like 2 into 1 2 0 into 0 0 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So this is the thing. Okay, this is how things are done. Okay, or in general AB is not equal to BA in matrix. Okay, matrix at AB equal to BA. So yeah, this is like this. First entry, the entry in first row and first column, A2 multiply koribole A2 korle A2 pam. A2 pabol ki koribo lagibo this multiply with this. Okay, A2 আর A2 multiply korle ami A2 আর A2 আর A2 korle ki hobo yad aibo, right? Okay, then you can see that there are few properties of matrix multiplication. Additional কিবা কি property আছে, so ekita exercise kita kori lobo. Okay, so you do few exercise of this. Etia kotha to hol okay, iman kini pura paribo lage, then only we can go forward or else we cannot. Okay, so I request you to do ketaman questions move kori dibo lage, then only we can go forward. Okay, so I'll do it from here only. Prothom exercise to tumaloke nije kori loba boli moi asha rakhilo. So you write question number 1. Question number 1 to koribo lagibo. Tar pisot question number 1 er pisot 1 4 1 3 4 tar pisot 7 1 3 4 7
sir
baki kita to
sir 19 to bujai dibo, question number 19 to bujai dibo.
19 টো মই বুজাব নোৱাৰো 19 টো তোমালোকে যদি আগৰ বস্তু কিটা গম পাইছা 19 টো কৰিব পাৰিব লাগিব 19 টো একদম নিজৰ কোৱেশ্চন ওকে
Okay, sir.
ইংৰাজীত লিখা আছে ইংৰাজীটোৰ অংক কৰিব লাগে অংক কৰি কিনে this is like amalgam of English and maths that's it so 19 20 21 22 that is your personal question তাৰ আগৰ খিনি হলে মই কৰিব পাৰিম
Okay, sir.
okay
Okay.
and question number 16 and 17 17 okay 1 3 4 16 17 ekita questions kori kini mok WhatsApp ot dibo lage I will do it and give it to me after that we can go to this next section okay ekita question parile moi bhabi jam je tumaloke parise boli okay manas kon kita question what are the questions for homework hello লিখিল নাই question number kita
Sir, koiba koi dibo?
16 15 16 তাৰপিছত এটো কি কয় তাৰপিছত আছিল 1 3 1 3 16 17 15 16 নেকি 15 16 17 লকৰা আৰু 1 আৰু 3 কৰা হৈ যাব ইমানটো কল হৈ যাব question number 1 and 3 আৰু 15 16 17 that's it okay তাৰপিছত exercise 3.1 টো তোমালোকে নিজে কৰি লবা এখানে কৰি কিনে মোক তোমালোকে submit it by tomorrow or day after tomorrow you submit okay তাৰপিছত আমি বাকিখিনি ৰিভিজন কৰিম